Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Okay, kids and I are home from the gym and we're going outside. Oh, look, Barbara's ready. I am going to, it's a not, oh, good stretch. Excuse me. Can I go out? I am going to, come on, Acra. Come. Go out and try to get a little bit of raking of the leaves done in the yard. The kids are coming out. Jackson is just putting on some bacon right now. But we're going to start in the back. And I'm actually going to get him. It's cooled off a lot. Should have gotten it done then. But there's a lot of leaves to rake. And so, but it's perfect. I mean, it'll be okay. I'll do a little bit now and a little bit every day until we get it all done the way we want it done. And all will be well. Sister, bring the trash bags out and then bring the trash can over. Because we got to bag it. So we do have to bag. I'll take this small rake because they act like they don't know how to use rakes. So I'll take the small one. Move, Mom. And what we're going to do, I'll probably just get Sister to take some pictures of what the yard looks like now. And then what it's going to look like once we get all these leaves out. I mean, there's a ton of leaves. There's a ton. And we don't have like leaf removal. So we actually have to throw them in the trash can. And so it's going to be weeks and weeks. Unless I can find somebody going to the dump. And I'll just send them over there. But the kids and I work very well together, actually. I do the majority of the raking. And then they will help me bag them. I mean, Sister helps. She's a big help. And Jack is as well. I mean, the kids, listen, I'm from the country. We got work to do. Ain't nobody around here not working. Everybody, man don't work. That's scripture. If my kids know any scripture, they know that one. So anywho, I'll turn my camera around just so you can see what we're going to be doing. Okay, so that was full of leaves and I just raked those out. I just raked those here. And so I'll work a little sections at a time. And then there are sticks and stuff down. So I'll get the kids to pile those all up so that Mr. Jerome can haul them off when he comes. Because he's going to come do some garden work. And I'm just going to see if he'll haul off the tree limbs. And I'll pay him to do the removal of that. But yeah, we're just going to get a few things done. I'm only going to set about a 30-minute timer out here. So this is kind of what it's looking like now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done in about 30 minutes. Got it?
On the old man, on the other side, he delivering.
Yeah, at the top. We can start filling bags now. Bubba, I'm ready to fill bags. Yeah. Okay, you guys. So, I don't know if you remember what it looked like before we started. But, you know, I'd still have to clean up quite a bit of the little loose leaves. But we did this whole section here, right? So up to this tree. So we did about 4 trees in this way. You know, we still have those loose ones. I'll come back and clean all that up. We got all the leaves in the pine, the big parts, right? These are just little loose pieces that I have to get still. So instead of it looking like this, right, where I haven't raked at all, it looks like this where I've raked out. We got 5 bags, maybe 6 bags of leaves, and that's just from that tiny little section, right? Just this tiny little section right here. We still have this whole front section. We did move the trampoline so that we can clean out. We're gonna come out every day until we get it done. And then, of course, we have in the yard itself, and then these last little bits over into that corner. There's some more leaves, but we did get a few things done. Of course, Mr. Jerome will help with the garden. Oh, y'all, get the ladder to the trampoline. So at least, you know, a good bit of that needed to be done is done. I still got more to do, but that only took us about 30 minutes. So tomorrow we'll come out and do another 30 minutes on our, that whole side will be complete. And then the next day we'll come and do a few 30 minutes and that'll be complete. And then, you know, it's just little by little as we have the time. So bless the name of the Lord.
All right, everyone. So here are the bags we have done so far on the yard. We have a lot of bags. I think we might have like, I don't know, 10, 11, 12 bags here. And, I think she said we're gonna probably get over here some. Like over here in that area. And there are a lot of leaves over there. So I think those are the last places she's gonna go for the moment. And Mr. Jerome is gonna come and haul these bags off when he gets here. So I think we'll only have maybe about 9-10 more bags left to go to join this pile. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching our clean the yard video. We've been doing a lot of cleaning, but now that the fence is in, we want to make sure everything's just good and ready for the dogs. And Mom has a couple of projects that she wants to do in the summer. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, please hit that red subscribe button. We'd love to have you as one of our followers. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.